it's the largest of its kind, hosts over 110 countries. It's really a one-time extravaganza. It's really an experience to be had.
Hi everyone, Cameron Wilkinson here, and today I'm joined by Robin Dean, the Trade Group's Senior Account Executive, and we're going to talk about NPE's The Plastics Show. But before we get into that, Robin,
Hello,
would you
Cam.
like to introduce yourself? Hi.
Robin Dean with the Trade Group. I've been here for 20 years and enjoyed every second of them.
Now, I love asking this question because I'm really interested in what different people have to say, but what's your favorite part of the exhibit process? Is it the initial design phase when you're sitting down with the client and you're kind of going through the discovery? Is it the building and execution phase, or is it seeing it all come together at a show?
All of it is very fulfilling and very satisfying and makes for just an exciting career. But the most fulfilling element is speaking with my clients in the early days of envisioning what they want to see at the trade show, and then having them see it just materialize as we're building it. But actually seeing it come to life is most exciting for me.
You've been at other NPE shows before, but what makes the Plastics Show different or special?
Well, it's the largest of its kind. It hosts over 110 countries and over 22,000 exhibitors. So it's really a one-time extravaganza. It is more than a trade show. It's a hands-on experience. There's a lot of plastics innovation and technology in motion that you can actually see and feel and touch. Clients go there to get the very latest on the plastics industry. And by plastics industry, it's all industries that, that use plastics in their manufacturing. So it's really committed to sustainability. It actually has a recycling exhibit where they actually recycle from the show, but it shows you hands-on the very latest technology. So it's really an experience to be had.
Very cool. And what are some challenges an exhibitor might face when going to the Plastics Show?
A big challenge is making sure you get in on as early as possible on the front end. It's an every 3-year show, so that's a challenge. The just sheer amount of attendees, the volume of people. It doesn't seem like it would be a challenge, but you just need to make sure you plan accordingly with your giveaways and your booth management.
Well, Robin, thank you so much for your time and talking with us about the Plastics Show. If somebody's interested in crafting a design for an exhibit at NPE The Plastics, how would they be able to get in contact with you?
Well, certainly I believe my phone number is right at the bottom of your screen. Also, rdean@tradegroup.com. Tradegroup.com, our main website, also has a chat, and I'm all over social media, so come find me.
Well, Robin, thank you so much for joining us and talking about the Plastics Show. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe our channel so you can get more content and more updates about NPE The Plastics Show. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Robin. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, the YouTube algorithm thinks you're going to enjoy this one a lot as well.